How to remove all wishlist Temu. Removing products from your Temu wishlist helps you keep it organized and ensures only items you're still interested in are saved. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm going to head over down here below where it says you, and then we're going to go ahead and see here the wishlist. So it should be below earn credits and free gifts. Just go ahead and scroll all the way to the left and you should be able to see the see all button. Go ahead and click that one. And then from here, you can just go ahead and remove it. So you can go ahead and drag it to the left, and then there is an option for removing it. Go ahead and click that one, and you can do the same thing for all the others in here. Take note that you have to do this individually. There is not a way for us to delete them all together. Just do it individually, everyone. And yep, if you want to unlock a $100 coupon code, go ahead and click the link in the description box on the comment section, or use our referral code to enjoy a special discount of 30%. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.